Okay, now let's go over label printing. If you're the type of business that adds labels and prints labels and attaches labels to your products in store or at home for your inventory management, whatever the reason is, you can print labels using ResaleOS. You can come over here, print a label, you can customize it, okay, to include whatever information you want to include, okay, and then you can preview the label before printing it. Now, this label might not look like the label you want to print. Maybe you have different sizes, you have different requirements. You can customize all those requirements. And let me show you where you can do that. We go down to settings and then label printing. And here's where we create our labels. Here you can name your labels. My default furniture label. And I can decide what my text size and my barcode size are. You can choose which printer you want to assign it to. And a little note over here, to print labels is printing labels is better achieved from our desktop app, because from the desktop app, rather than using ResaleOS from your browser, you can attach your printers and you can tell the printer, every time I print this kind of label, print it on this printer. Every time I print this type of receipt, print it on this other printer. You can attach your inkjet printer, your thermal printer, any type of printers. You can use your current devices. You don't need to buy new devices. We integrate with any printer. But again, do it from the desktop app, so printing works better there. And then you can choose, your page sizes. You can decide what kind of information to display, in your label. And then you can add custom fields as well. If you use custom fields, for example, this is very nice. Some sellers want to record the vendor, okay, or in the label, or they want to record the bin or the rack or the shelf that the item should be placed in. Okay, you can print them on the label as well. So whenever you print the label, you attach it to the product and you know where the product should go. Okay, so now I saved my label, and then when I print the label from the product page, I can choose my default furniture label, which we just created. You can see a preview of how it looks like. And again, you can customize the size of the label to fit your specific paper and your specific printer. You can print labels in bulk, okay? And you can do a lot of bulk actions. You can do bulk edits, or again, you can print labels. Sorry, you do it from here, you preview, you can print all these labels together. You can print them in one sheet, in multiple sheets, all that kind of stuff. You can customize it. Okay, I think that's it for label printing. Moving on to the next submodule.